how to turn on or turn off 5G for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on battery. Next, tap on power saving, tap on the left hand side panel. Then we go down to the power saving options and tap on turn off 5G. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on when this is switched on, and if you turn on power saving, then 5G will switch off to save power. So this indicates that 5G actually uses more power, so you want to turn it off to save your battery. So you say here, choose additional limits to save battery when power saving is on. So all of the settings down here will only apply when you turn on power saving. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.